welcome students in the series of topics in commercial arithmetics. Today we will explore one example. Here is Motu and here is Patlu. Motu and Patlu both went to a fruit store and they purchased apples. Motu purchased 3 kilogram apples for rupees 105 and Patlu purchased 5 kilogram for rupees 180. So, which is better buy? Motu purchased 3 kilogram for rupees 105 and Patlu purchased apples in 5 kilogram for rupees 180. So let us compare. But how? At first we need to find out the price for 1 kilogram apples in both cases and then we can easily compare. We cannot compare with 3 kilogram for rupees 105 and 5 kilogram for rupees 180. We need to find out the cost of 1 kilogram apple in both the cases. So let us find out. Since the cost of 3 kilogram apple equals to rupees 105 for Motu, it means what is the cost of 1 kilogram apples in this case? Let us divide because we know that whenever we need to find out the cost of 1, we need to divide. So 105 divided by 3 and we can easily cut this. Just tell the table of 3 in 105. 3 threes are 9 and remainder is 1. So 3 fives are 15. It means Motu purchased apple at the rate of rupees 35 per kilogram. Let us find out the rate for Patlu. Here is, since the cost of 5 kilogram apples equals to rupees 180, then what is the cost of 1 kilogram apple? So we will find out. Therefore, the cost of 1 kilogram apple equal to rupees 180 divided by 5. Now divide in 180 by 5 and it is very simple. 5 ones are 5 and here 5 threes are 15 and 5 6 are 30. It means rupees 36. Patlu purchased apple at the rate of 36 rupees per kilogram. So which is better buy? Yes, the better buy is this. 3 kilogram for rupees 105 because here the unit rate is rupees 35 which is less than 36. So simple. Now let us do one more question. Here is one more case. Here is a pack of 2-liter juice and 2-liter pack of juice for rupees 130. Here is pack of 5-liter juice and 5-liter pack of juice for rupees 310. Which is better buy? We cannot judge at this stage. We need to find out the cost of 1-liter pack of juice in both the cases. So for first case we will see, since the cost of 2-liter juice equals to rupees 130, therefore the cost of 1-liter juice equals to rupees 130 divided by 2. Let us divide, and to divide it is very simple. 2 ones are 2 and here 2 6 are 12, remainder is 1. So here is 2 5s are 10. It means unit rate is rupees 65. 1-liter juice cost is rupees 65. Let us do for this second situation. Since the cost of 5-liter juice equals to rupees 310, therefore the cost of 1-liter juice equals to, yes, we will do division. 310 divided by 5, and to divide it is very easy. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30, remainder is 1. So here is 5 2 are 10. So it is rupees 62. Therefore, the cost of 1 liter juice equals to rupees 62 in this case. Now we can judge which is better by 65 or 62 per liter. Yes, 62 is less than 65. It means which option is better by this 5-liter pack of juice for rupees 310. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.